See that? So we're at Naussa Cay and it's absolutely beautiful. And there's a very famous plane here that's in the water, so we're going to go and have a look at it.
We're motoring, which means it's always loud and noisy, but we're also dragging the dinghy, which means you can actually see the nice view behind us. We don't get that very often. We're dragging the dinghy because we're only going a couple hours to the next place, and there just was no point in all the effort to put it up. And with Steven's back now, we don't put the dinghy up if we don't have to, basically, so is what it is. Anyway, that is one of the things we are probably gonna have to invest in when we get back to when we haul out this next time. We have to have some sort of electric way of pulling the dinghy up because Steven just can't do it anymore, which is annoying as heck, but it is what it is. I don't think, no matter what, I don't think we'll ever be back to where he was. So now we have to make changes to try to still do what we're doing, I guess. Anyway, I just thought I would show y'all the really pretty view that we get when the dinghy is down. You know, Steven, one of the benefits of dragging the dinghy is look at the view back there.
Yeah.
We never get that when the dinghy's up. I mean, it is a dinghy full of trash, but still, the rest is pretty. Just saying.
And Latrell has made an omelette, which looks absolutely fantastic. I'm going to eat that with some joy. Catch you all later.
Let me say for the record that I come to the Bahamas 100% expecting to pay higher prices than the U.S. And in my experience, it's never really, to me, been that much more expensive than buying things in Florida at Publix. But that's beside the point. Anyway, I went to 2 stores today. I went to the pink store and the blue store. And at the pink store, I got some Monsters and some sodas. The sodas were 24 bucks. Which is not bad for that big old case. I kept looking at this receipt trying to figure out what it was. It says dry scrolls straw, $18 for 16 ounces. And then again, the same line item. It was the little thing of strawberries. You know, the little thing that you get at the store, and the little ones. $18. Don't buy strawberries. All I can say. The other thing is I don't like when stores don't have prices because I don't mind paying the prices as long as I know what they are. Anyway, bring me that cake here. That strawberries was at the blue store. At the pink store I bought this rum cake. It's on it. The rum cake had no price on it.
How much was that?
$35 freaking dollars. I wouldn't have paid that if I knew it was $35. I mean, I wouldn't pay that in the U.S. I wouldn't pay that here. And then these little tiny things of strawberries for $18 each. But they didn't have prices on them. I didn't know until after I paid.
Yeah, well,
The price of being in
the Bahamas.
paradise. We actually have It's awkward, right? Just put it right there. Right there like that. Is that awkward? Anyway, we're going. Let's go to dinner. I've ordered nothing on it.
What did you get, Tom? Lexi, what did you get?
Well, you got a club sandwich. Is that not what you were expecting?
I like my lunch meat to be cut very thinly. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna try.
And then I got a chicken sandwich.
Oh, here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
But they're not gonna like, you can swim with them, right?
They say, according to the sign, that you can swim with them. Just don't put your hands close to the bottom or close to their face.
They used to like,
Look at these huge ones. Oh, bring the bacon! Oh, wait till it's on top and they want it. Like, I would have never in my life. Oklahoma. We live on a boat now, so we don't live
I was just
anymore.
saying to someone today, like at home, there's like, we have a tiger shark, which we'll keep in our local beach. It's like, Trevor, I call him Trevor. Trevor's back today, everyone, the beach is closed.
There are
So you can either pay Staniel Cay Yacht Club to get rid of your trash, or you can walk to the dump. So that looks pretty right now. So we are walking to the dump. So the gentleman there insisted that we put it in their trash. So I don't want to do that. That was pathetic, wasn't it? Yep. So they get rid of their trash in the Bahamas. Don't want to drive it around, then walk it around. Can't you see that if you continue to play it here, you will be causing the drive around to clog? Some of you are not so smart. Yeah, I'd go with that. I'm not so smart. But I'm tired of carrying it because we walked a long way. But that's how we get rid of our trash. How much did we work that out to be?
I don't know. I didn't pay it. You did.
So it come to $108 for
It was
4 bags of laundry.
So it was 2 big washers, 2 small washers, and then 4 big dryers.
4 big dryers,
And
right.
5 sodas.
And then 5 sodas. So I'm gonna say roughly $25 a bag of laundry, which is a bit on the pricey side.